Welcome. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of prosperity using the power of affirmations. The path to attracting wealth is both simple and profound, and it begins with a shift in our internal dialogue. In these next few minutes, we will explore how to harness the power of affirmations to invite abundance into our lives. Imagine for a moment that your mind is a garden. Just as a garden needs careful tending to flourish, so does your mind require nurturing to cultivate the seeds of prosperity. The thoughts and words you plant in this mental garden determine the fruits it will bear. By choosing affirmations that reflect the wealth and abundance you wish to attract, you lay the groundwork for a future filled with financial success. Affirmations are not merely words, they are powerful tools that align your thoughts and feelings with your desired reality. When you repeat affirmations with conviction, you create a mental environment that supports and attracts prosperity. It's important to choose affirmations that resonate deeply with you, ones that evoke a sense of possibility and excitement. For instance, consider affirming, "I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life." This statement, when repeated with belief and intention, helps shift your mindset towards openness and receptivity. To begin, find a quiet space where you can focus on yourself without distractions. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in positive energy. As you breathe out, release any tension or negativity. In this state of relaxation, begin to repeat your chosen affirmations silently or aloud. Allow each word to sink into your consciousness, creating a vibrant picture of prosperity in your mind. Repetition is key to reinforcing these affirmations. The more you repeat them, the more they become embedded in your subconscious mind. Over time, these affirmations will influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions, aligning them with the frequency of wealth and abundance. It's a process of reprogramming your mind to expect and attract prosperity. Affirmations should be crafted in the present tense, as if you are already living the reality you desire. For example, instead of saying, "I will be rich," affirm, "I am financially abundant." This approach helps to align your present reality with your desired outcome, making it more attainable. The use of present tense in affirmations helps to create a sense of immediacy and reinforces the belief that your desired outcome is already here. It's also essential to feel the emotions associated with your affirmations. When you repeat an affirmation, try to evoke the emotions you would feel if your affirmation were already true. This emotional involvement strengthens the impact of the affirmation and helps to manifest your desires more effectively. For example, if your affirmation is, "I am attracting wealth effortlessly," imagine the excitement and gratitude you would feel upon receiving unexpected financial gains. Think of these feelings fully as you repeat your affirmation. In addition to daily affirmation practice, it's helpful to integrate your affirmations into various aspects of your life. Place written affirmations in visible areas, such as on your mirror or desk, where you can see them frequently. Surrounding yourself with positive affirmations creates a constant reminder of your goals and reinforces your commitment to attracting prosperity. It's also valuable to maintain a positive mindset and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude opens the door to receiving more of what you desire. When you appreciate what you already have, you create space for more abundance to flow into your life. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine by acknowledging and giving thanks for the blessings and opportunities you encounter. In times of doubt or negativity, return to your affirmations as a source of strength and reassurance. It's natural to experience moments of uncertainty, but don't let them deter you from your path. By persistently focusing on your affirmations and nurturing a positive mindset, you reinforce your commitment to attracting wealth and abundance. Affirmations are not a quick fix but rather a lifelong practice that aligns your inner world with your outer reality. As you consistently apply these principles, you will notice subtle shifts in your thoughts, emotions, and circumstances. The key is to remain patient and persistent, trusting that the process is working even when results are not immediately visible. Consider this practice as an ongoing journey rather than a destination. Each day, Take time to reaffirm your commitment to prosperity and reaffirm your belief in your ability to attract wealth. As you continue this practice, you'll find that opportunities for financial growth and abundance naturally begin to manifest in your life. Moreover, affirmations can be particularly effective when combined with visualization techniques. Visualize yourself living in abundance, experiencing the wealth you desire. See yourself enjoying the fruits of your prosperity, and allow yourself to fully immerse in this vision. Visualization enhances the power of affirmations by creating a clear mental image of your desired outcome, making it more real and attainable. As you advance in your practice, you may also find it beneficial to set specific financial goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve and use affirmations to reinforce these goals. For example, if you aim to increase your income, affirmations such as, "I am steadily increasing my income and financial security," can help focus your efforts and align your actions with your goals. The power of affirmations lies not only in the words themselves but in the belief and intention behind them. As you repeat your affirmations, do so with genuine conviction and trust in their effectiveness. Your belief in the affirmations will fuel their power and help you manifest the prosperity you seek. To truly harness the power of affirmations, it's essential to understand the concept of alignment. Alignment means ensuring that every aspect of your being, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, contributes to the manifestation of your desires. When you align yourself with the frequency of wealth, you create a harmonious flow that attracts prosperity effortlessly. One way to achieve this alignment is by incorporating sensory experiences into your affirmations. Engaging multiple senses helps to reinforce the reality of your desires. For example, if your affirmation is about achieving financial success, visualize not just the outcome but also the sensations associated with it. Picture yourself handling money, feeling the texture of currency, and hearing the sound of financial transactions. By immersing yourself in these sensory details, you make your affirmation more tangible and real. Another powerful technique is to use affirmations during moments of deep relaxation or meditation. When your mind is calm and open, it is more receptive to new ideas and beliefs. In these states, your affirmations penetrate deeper into your subconscious, leading to more profound changes. Create a serene environment where you can focus solely on your affirmations, free from distractions. This practice will help you internalize the positive beliefs you are affirming and align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. Additionally, consider incorporating affirmations into your daily routine in creative ways. For instance, you can repeat them while engaging in routine activities like brushing your teeth or driving. By integrating affirmations into these daily rituals, you reinforce their presence in your life and keep your focus on your goals throughout the day. This constant reinforcement helps to maintain a positive mindset and keeps your intentions aligned with your desires. It's also beneficial to cultivate a sense of excitement and anticipation about the wealth you are attracting. Instead of merely stating that you are prosperous, allow yourself to feel a genuine sense of enthusiasm and joy about the abundance that is on its way. This emotional response creates a magnetic force that draws your desires closer to you. Think of the feeling of already having achieved your goals, and let that emotion fuel your affirmations and actions. As you progress in your affirmation practice, you may encounter limiting beliefs or doubts. These are natural and part of the process. When such thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus back to your affirmations. Reinforce your belief in your ability to attract prosperity by countering negative thoughts with positive affirmations. This practice helps to dismantle old belief systems and replace them with empowering, abundance-oriented thoughts. Moreover, engage in actions that align with your affirmations. Take practical steps towards your financial goals, such as budgeting, investing, or seeking new opportunities. Affirmations alone are powerful, but combining them with proactive steps enhances their effectiveness. By aligning your actions with your affirmations, you demonstrate your commitment to manifesting your desires and create a tangible path towards achieving them. Consider also the influence of your environment on your affirmation practice. Surround yourself with positive influences that support your goals. This might include associating with like-minded individuals who share your vision of abundance or creating a workspace that inspires and motivates you. A supportive environment reinforces your affirmations and creates a conducive atmosphere for prosperity to thrive. In summary, the process of attracting wealth through affirmations involves more than just repeating positive statements. It requires a holistic approach that includes aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. By incorporating sensory experiences, practicing affirmations during relaxation, integrating them into daily routines, and cultivating excitement, you enhance the power of your affirmations. Address limiting beliefs with positivity, take actionable steps towards your goals, and create a supportive environment to further amplify the effectiveness of your practice. This comprehensive approach will help you align with the frequency of prosperity and manifest the financial abundance you seek. In conclusion, affirmations are a powerful tool for attracting wealth and abundance into your life. By choosing affirmations that resonate with you, repeating them consistently, and aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, you create a fertile environment for prosperity to flourish. Think of this practice with patience and dedication, and you will witness the transformative effects it can have on your financial reality. Thank you for joining me on this journey of attracting wealth through affirmations. May you find prosperity and abundance in all areas of your life. If you found this message valuable, consider subscribing to receive more insights and guidance on manifesting your desires. Like this video to show your support, and share it with others who may benefit from these teachings. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content and support for your personal growth.